But for tonight, skies should become mainly clear. Some clouds will be back by morning. Temperatures teens and low 20s for low readings across most of the area. Tomorrow, light winds, not a big factor there. During the first half of the day, there could be a touch of light snow or flurries, mainly I'd say from about Worcester north and west. A coating is possible, but I don't see much more than that. And the temperature could approach 40 in areas to the south. Remember now, sun's getting a little bit higher in the sky, and later in the day we could have some sun. The winds will be light, and there's no snow cover in those areas. All right, so this is the first little system that gives the chance of a very brief period of snow to our western areas tomorrow morning. Here's how that plays out. You see, overnight we start clear, and they get some clouds in here by morning. And notice a little strip of very light snow around the Berkshires. Could work its way toward the Worcester Hills. Because the air is going to be so dry at lower levels, if there's going to be a coating to an inch, it'd probably be the higher elevations of Worcester County and the Berkshires. Could a flurry survive to the coast? It might. But later in the day and into tomorrow night, we'll get a clearing trend. But then that second system will start to make its approach by Wednesday morning. That's this one back here. Weather systems moving very, very quickly right now. So as we talk about tomorrow, again, it could be a flurry in Boston, and then we see that clearing trend come in. Notice the clouds are back, and here we are Wednesday morning. So as we complete the morning commute, that's when the snow should rapidly rush in. By the way, even during the morning commute, a light east wind could cause a little bit of ocean effect, very light snow or flurries in parts of the Merrimack Valley. Then we get into the snow, but here's the deal. That's a deep blue, which means that snow could be coming down pretty hard. But look at the rain, and that rain snow line will lift northward with time. However, there could be a band in between. That's a mix. So as we get toward that evening commute, that's when we're a little bit concerned about some icy mix getting into parts of the region, the transition from the snow to rain. And over the interior, like Worcester County, it may actually stay freezing rain after getting a few inches of snow. As far as snow is concerned, very small amount, could be a quick inch, possibly southeastern Mass of the Cape before rain. An inch or two up to about Boston. Boston could be very close to 1 to 2, 2 to 4 before a flip to rain. But when you get north and west, especially toward 495 and beyond, could be 4 to 8 inches with some sleet and freezing rain on top. And far northwestern Mass and a good chunk of Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine could pick up 6 to maybe in some cases even as much as 10 or 12 inches of snow. So we have Wednesday as the impact weather day. Remember, some of us are going to have a couple hours of snow, some of us very brief, and others a longer period with some ice on top. That's the far interior especially. Thursday we clear out, still dealing with rapidly moving systems, so we could be dealing with a little bit more mixed precipitation as we get into the weekend as things stand now.